Welcome to the Corner Faster Get Fast series. We're at Road Atlanta in the Porsche Cayman GT4, and this is lap 2 out of 50 laps to get up to speed using the iRacing simulator. This video will focus on paved runoff areas or lack thereof around each corner. So before we head out on track, we'll take a look at the Google Maps satellite imagery. Starting with turn 1, the only paved runoff area options would be the exit of Support Paddock Pit Road, but there is a small strip of grass separating the main track surface and that pit road. That's also a pretty dangerous area to rely on exiting if it's being used. Similarly, we have the pit road exit for the main pit on the inside. If that is being used, it's sort of a dangerous area to pull onto, but is actually part of the racing surface. So with nothing but gravel and grass to the outside, it's pretty safe to say there really isn't any paved runoff area to count on through turn 1. There's no paved anything through turn 2 besides the racing surface itself. And then we do get the turn 4 chicane at the exit of turn 3 and inside of turn 4 as an optional runoff area, and the alternate S's similarly on the inside, the right side of the S's off the main racing surface. And then we have additional runoff area at the braking zone into turn 5. This is the short course configuration, and at least in the simulator you can turn around and rejoin here at the exit of turn 5. The next area to even get off the track is going to be on the exit of turn 7. There's no paved runoff. There's just the gravel trap at the end of the braking zone for turn 6, and then grass runoff all along the outside of turn 7. But there's this parking area and exit right here at the exit of turn 7. Moving up the back straight, we have the alternate configuration and short course configuration, additional runoff on the right. And then we come down into turn 10, 10A and 10B, and if you end up going through the gravel trap and grass runoff area, there's the Formula Drift circle, so you can rejoin on a paved surface. And then the last runoff area or additional paved area on the track is the alternate turn 12 on the outside of turn 12, rejoining onto the main straight. So let's take a look at that in the iRacing simulator. You can see here the supporting pit road exit on the left for turn 1. And we'll move up to turn 3 now. The exit of turn 3 will take the turn 4 chicane and then rejoin a pretty tricky spot just at the turn in for the S's. And you can see on the right the alternate S's rejoining at the bottom of the S's. Heading back uphill and veering off to the right here on the outside of turn 5, braking, taking the short course. Flip around and rejoin at turn 5. Heading through turn 6, there's no additional runoff in 7. And here we can see the additional parking area and the access road to the right at the exit of turn 7. Move up the back straightaway. And we've got the alternate configuration and short course configuration on the right. Just before turn 9. And at the end of the braking zone for turn 10, we'll go ahead and cut across the grass to demonstrate this now. Happen to go along, you can always use the Formula Drift circle to rejoin the track. And then last but not least, we'll veer left here and head down the alternate turn 12 runoff area. The last bit of extra pavement before coming back on track and heading down the main straight. So hopefully we don't have to use these, but that is lap 2 demonstrating the paved runoff areas around Road Atlanta. Stick around for laps 3 through 50. We keep building from here.